And we're here doing podcast.
Okay, so I did this video a long time ago. Back when I started doing YouTube, I would do anything just for a video. And I gave it a try, and I wasn't a big fan of it, but I'm trying to get Ben to eat a little bit healthier snacks. So what I ended up getting is Graze. Now, I ended up having a voucher for $1 off, or for a free box on one of my HelloFresh boxes. Well, I did what the website told me, and there was not one spot to put a code in, but I ended up paying $1 for this box, which I'm still fine with. I might cancel it, I might not, it just depends. You guys can get this too. I don't have a referral link. I paid with this with my own money, but you guys can get this too. You can just try it for $1. So I think inside you get 4 snacks. They're tiny little snacks. Now they also sell some of this stuff I've seen at Walgreens, but hold on, honey. But what they end up doing is they send you some snacks, and this is what I really want. I really want Ben to try. Okay, just hold on, honey. So here it says, "Hello, Jennifer. Welcome to Graze. Ready for personalized boxes of wholesome and yummy treats in the mail. It's easy. What I did is I received a free sampler box, but you just pay $1 for shipping. And then you just tell them what you like and what you don't like, and then they'll send you certain things. And then you can pick whatever day you want. So then they gave me, get your first and 5th box of Graze free if you guys are interested in that. I don't know if this is to give to friends. Okay, will you just relax?
I see stickers.
Oh, those are stickers. Okay, just relax for just a second. He just wants some snacks. So what I ended up doing is wrote what I don't like. I didn't really get to choose as far as I know of, but I'm actually pretty excited to try these. The last time I had this, I didn't like hardly anything in here. But what we got is deconstructed, hold on, honey, cinnamon apple pie, cinnamon dusted apple pieces, yogurt coated raisins, and almonds. So they give you like a little sample of that. So this is something good because I want him to eat these and he won't even know about it. The next one we got is, hold on, honey, protein peanut butter with pretzel sticks dipper. So you got like regular pretzel sticks with some peanut butter, so that'd be perfect for him to dip. Here we got original protein flapjack. It's rustic rolled oat flapjack with flax seeds, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds. Now this is something I probably wouldn't buy, but I do want to try it, and it's worth trying. Now I actually had this in my box last time, which was like 4 years ago, and I loved it. This is caramel sauce with soft apple pieces. This is something that is so good. And then Ben is like digging to dig the bottom of the tray. So this is the tray. And they gave you some stickers for Ben to play with. So we're going to do a little taste test. We are going to try this little thing right here. So we're going to try the original protein flapjack and see how he eats it. Okay. So here we got the little snack. Here, Ben, you want to try it? It's a little candy bar. Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
Good job. Are you going to finish eating it? Why? Oh, he wants to play with stickers. So this is the reason why I want him. I got this is so he can, you know, start eating a little bit better as snacks.
We'll try. Which one will we try? Wait. This one.
Don't be putting stickers on my light, honey. Just leave the stickers there. Put it in your little book.
Hey, I can put.
Okay, you're making a mess here. You want more of that?
No, I want more blueberries.
You want more blueberries? You don't even eat blueberries.
No, this blueberry.
Here's another bite. So this is something perfect for him. There's 8 grams of protein in here. It doesn't tell me how many calories or anything, but this is perfect for him to snack on. I love having him snack on something like that. I'm not going to open the caramel apples because I already know what that tastes like. It's a soft caramel. It's a soft apple with the caramel sauce. That is awesome. I know he will not eat this, but this is for me. The protein peanut butter sticks. I'm going to try to get him to dip it in the peanut butter. Otherwise, I know he'll just eat the stick. But this is a great little snack. And the next thing I really want to try is the cinnamon apple pie. So,
I will help you.
You want to help me eat this?
And here, see the stickers?
Okay, so I'm going to have you eat
stickers.
this. It's an almond. You like almonds.
I like these.
Okay.
We eat them.
Okay. So eat a little piece of apple. So this is just literally dried apples. But they're soft. Here, try one of these. It's good. You like? No, it's an apple. It's an apple.
I like it.
Well, don't put it back. So, I don't know, for $1 it was worth it. I might check and see what other snacks, if I can pick and choose. Otherwise, I don't know if they pick and choose or not. But do you just write what you don't like? So, I'm just trying to get him to eat a little bit healthier, but I just wanted to share with you guys what was inside my Graze box. Just go to Graze.com. You guys can join. It's Graze.
Mama, let's open the other one.
You won't eat them.
With the other one, with the other one we got.
We'll open them a little bit later. But you just go there and just pay the $1 and then cancel it right away if you guys want. I may or may not try it again, and if I do, I'll share it with you guys. But something for him to eat that's a little bit healthier for him that he doesn't know about. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a
thumbs up with poo-poo time.
Okay, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.